In dealing with your insurance carrier after having water damage, we recommend that you call us first, call Flood Damage Restoration first. We come out and do a no-cost inspection and determine whether or not you even need to file an insurance claim. Sometimes the water damage may be so minor that a $1,000 deductible wouldn't be worth filing an insurance claim and then having a public strike on your claims information for your insurance company, so that your premium doesn't actually go up from filing a claim. So that's the first thing you want to think about, is whether or not you need to file a claim. The second thing is, insurance companies, they're a business, so they're in the business of making money and protecting their own loss ratios. So one thing that they'll do is try and send you a preferred vendor of theirs and say that they're not going to cover the full cost, or they're not going to warranty the work that's being done unless you use one of their preferred vendors. You actually have the right legally to use the contractor of your choice and work with whoever you would like to work with. Flood Damage Restoration warranties all of our work indefinitely. We guarantee that the building materials are dry, and we work with all insurance companies directly as well. So it's your choice to hire your contractor versus your insurance company telling you who you need to use.